How to easily determine and select the right staff on VirtualStaff.ph. Selecting the right staff member for your business is critical to building a strong and efficient remote team. At VirtualStaff.ph, we make it easier for you to find reliable, full-time Filipino staff without the hassle of traditional outsourcing or freelancing. Here's a simple guide to help you determine and select the best staff for your role. 1. Define your role and requirements. Before you start browsing through profiles, it's important to clearly define the role you want to fill. Think about the following. Title. What is the role you need? For example, virtual assistant, bookkeeper, customer support representative, etc. Key responsibilities. List out the tasks your staff will be responsible for. This will help you understand the skill set required. Skills and experience. Specify any technical or soft skills required for the role. For example, experience with accounting software for a bookkeeper role or strong communication skills for a customer support position. Working hours. Will the position be part-time or full-time? What working hours will you expect your staff to work? Salary range. Decide on the monthly salary range you're comfortable with. For most roles, businesses on VirtualStaff.ph pay between $500 to $1,500 per month, depending on the role and experience level. Once you have a clear understanding of the role, you can proceed with opening it on the platform. 2. Open your role and attract pre-vetted staff. VirtualStaff.ph allows you to quickly open your role and get pre-vetted staff to apply. Here's how it works. Fill out the role form. After purchasing a seat for $99 per month per staff member, you'll be guided to a simple form where you provide details about the role, your expectations, and salary range. Attract top talent. Your role goes live, and pre-vetted Filipino staff begin applying. With over 1 million profiles in our database, you're sure to find talent that fits your needs. 3. Review profiles and shortlist. When you start receiving applications, it's time to evaluate the profiles. Here's how to easily shortlist the best fits. Look at experience. Review the potential staff's work history, skills, and experience. VirtualStaff.pH's pre-vetting process ensures that all staff members are qualified and experienced in the roles they apply for. Check skills and qualifications. Match the skills with the requirements of your role. For example, if you're hiring a content writer, check if they have experience in writing blogs, articles, or SEO optimization. Personality fit. Consider how their personality aligns with your company culture. Communication and teamwork skills are crucial for remote work. Past work and reviews. Many talents provide references or portfolios that can help you gauge their skills and reliability. 4. Interview your shortlisted staff. Once you've narrowed down your list of potential staff, it's time to conduct interviews. VirtualStaff.ph allows you to manage the interview process directly within the platform. Here's how to conduct effective interviews. Prepare your questions. Ask questions that assess both technical skills and soft skills. For example, can you walk me through how you would handle a specific task related to the role? How do you manage your time and prioritize tasks when working remotely? Assess communication. Since you'll be working remotely, effective communication is key. Pay attention to how well the staff communicates during the interview. Test skills, if needed. If the role requires technical skills, consider asking them to complete a task or project as part of the interview process. 5. Select your ideal staff member. Once your interviews are complete, it's time to choose your new team member. Here's how to make your decision. Review interview performance. Consider how well the staff answered your questions and demonstrated their skills. Evaluate cultural fit. Will the staff fit into your team and company culture? Remote teams require self-discipline and strong communication skills, so this is important. Trust your instincts. If a staff member impresses you with their skills, professionalism, and passion, trust your gut and make the hire. By following these simple steps, you can easily determine and select the right staff on VirtualStaff.ph. With access to 1 million plus pre-vetted Filipino staff, transparent pricing, and hassle-free admin management, hiring the perfect remote team member is quick and easy. Start building your team today. If you need any assistance or have questions, feel free to contact us or book a demo. We're here to help you find the right fit for your business. Thank you, and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the smarter way to build a team in the Philippines. Hiring, payroll, and compliance in one platform.